This brief tutorial will show you how to locate company profiles in Hoovers. Keep in mind, Hoovers contains more profiles of publicly traded companies than private. Let's jump right in. Hoovers offers valuable company insights that may help us get a leg up in the prepared lunch game. You may remember taking a Lunchable to school as a kid. They're major competition in this space, and they're made by the Kraft Heinz company. So we're going to use the company search function in Hoovers to locate more information about Kraft Heinz. To search for a company, use the search box in the upper right-hand corner. This will bring you to Hoovers' company profile page for the Kraft Heinz company. You'll note that there's a wealth of information on this profile, so I want to point out some areas that you should take note of. If you look at the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that the company profile is divided into 3 sections: Core, Advanced, and Financials. Under Core, areas that you may want to take special note of include the company summary, the company description, the SWOT, and the news section. Under Advanced, note competitors and analyst reports. Finally, under Financials, you can see information like the financial health of the company and business segment. Once you've browsed through the company profile for the company of interest, you may want to download a report using the Report Builder One Stop. To do this, simply click on One Stop and choose the portions of the report that you'd like to download. Click Get Report, and you'll have your handy report ready to go for your research. If at any point you have any questions, don't forget you can always ask the Walker Management Librarians for help navigating Hoovers.